One of the most important considerations we have is planning for storage of the virtual hard disks. If we are using external disks that are connected to our Hyper-V servers, we need a high performance connection to that storage. We also need some level of redundancy, meaning I cannot have one hard drive in a physical host and just put all my virtual machines on that one physical hard drive. Well, you can, but you have created a single point of failure, so that would never be your solution. We want to make sure we have redundant storage. We also want to make sure the storage itself is high performance, meaning you just have fast drives. Solid state would be as fast as you can actually get now. With a solid state drive that you would put in a laptop or desktop, just that level of solid state. Not extremely expensive, but you could run multiple virtual machines off those disks at one time and have very little latency. And make sure you have planned for growth. If you install Server 2019 Core, just the operating system is going to consume just over 6 gigs. If you install Server 2019 with the graphical user interface, you are just over 10 gigs with just the operating system installed. When you factor in data and applications, you can start to get a feel for how much storage you would actually use overall. That's where storage pools and all those things come into play, which we can easily grow over time just by adding additional storage.